a community.
Hey, welcome to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. We're going to do a workshop gauge today, and I'm going to show you the importance of gauging. I get a ton of emails saying my hat didn't work. What is my problem? Well, you probably got more than just hook problems, let me tell you. But there are ways to be able to determine how you can match the hands of the designer that has done it. So any good designer provides a gauge that is included with the pattern. Everybody's hands are different, and because they provided a gauge, they're going to allow you to be able to match it, assuming that they actually did the measurements correctly on their sample to begin with. We're going to assume that they do. So in today's workshop, I'm going to show you how gauge is determined. I'm doing baby hats right now, and I changed the yarn, and just the fundamental change ended up changing the size of the hat. And even though it's so minor, exponentially, it makes a huge difference. So hopefully you can join us in the workshop. Just if you want to participate, go ahead and we'll go through each step by step.